Okay, so I'm getting the furnace ready for winter just to make sure everything was good. Fired it up, went about 45 seconds, shut off. So, you know, just like everybody else, go to YouTube to make sure covered all the simple stuff. It would be burning, so it ignited. And then people said online to double check your CAD cell. So that's a little optical cell on the top here. Make sure that's clean, and it looks pretty darn clean to me. So I have this open and I'm making sure everything's okay. And what do I pull out? A bat. A very dead bat. Then I find more bats. So somewhere in the time that winter ended, and obviously now, some bats got in. If anyone has any recommendations for stopping bats from getting into your furnace, leave in the comments. This is a short video, but I just want to show you what I ran into. And I'll stop now, put everything back together, clean it up, and see if it will be better. I'll be right back. Well, it's running and it hasn't shut off now that I got all the bats out of the system. I did bleed it before, so it's a little bleeder too. She's good.